Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, and the function that we are going to discuss today is string function, which is POSSTR, or you can say POSstr. This function is mainly used to find out the exact position for a word which we are searching for in a source string. Okay, so how we can use it inside SQLRPGLE programs? Let's see. So if I show you the program, you can see first of all we are declaring the constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times 0, and this constant we will use to store the use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Then we have one variable, result one variable, and this variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Then we have these three lines: exec SQL, set option, commit none. So this is optional, like if you want to set this commit equals to star none, then you can use it, otherwise you can skip this. Below to this we are using the main query with where we are utilizing the function POSSTR. So let's see how we are using it. So firstly I am writing exec SQL, select POSSTR. Then we have two arguments. First argument is text Sharmit, which is a source string, and second argument is a search string which is Sharmit. So what it will do, it will search for Sharmit in source string text Sharmit, and it will return the exact position from where the Sharmit resides, and the returned value will be stored in the host variable result1, and it is coming we are using this function from sysibm.systeme1. Okay, so this is how we can use, and this is the syntax for POSSTR function. Below to this we are using the main SQL query. We are checking for the SQL query. So here I'm checking if SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, then display the result one, else display the SQL state with the message query ended with an error. Then endif and INL are on. Clear? So let's quickly compile this program and call this. So it is returning the value as 6. Okay. Now same thing we can also utilize on the normal SQL query. So you can see here I'm using select POSSTR. My source string is, the first argument is always considered as a source string. So I'm passing the value as first source string is IBM world. Second argument is world. Okay, so what it will do, it will search for world in source string IBM's world. And then we are using this alias which is as output from sysibm.systeme1. Okay, now make sure it is not always required that we have to use these hard-coded value. You can use on your normal table as well. Like let's say if we have one column which store the string, and there you want to use this functions, in that case you can simply give the column name. Okay, and then you can pass the second value which is a search string. Okay, so it is up to you. If you want to use it in your own table, then the upper line would be the same. You can use it in the same way, just replace this with a column name, and then here you can pass your table name and library. Okay, so if I hit enter here, you can see it is printing the value as 5, and this is the alias output. Okay, so yeah, this is the way through which we can utilize this POSSTR function or pos string function in SQLRPGLE program as well as in a normal query. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.